Hello and welcome back to the course. In today's topic, we are going to be looking at data cleaning part 2. And today, we are going to be looking at the concept of removing duplicate and converting a particular text to column. Right along with me. The data set we are going to be using is a customer's data set. In fact, we can call it a sales data set. We have the date of purchase. We have the name of our customer. We have the item that our customer have gotten from our store. Then we have the category of that item, and we have the exact amount that the customer purchased that item. Now, the first thing that we want to know here is we want to remove duplicates. In essence, I want to know the number or the exact name of our customers. You will observe that in our customer segment, we have different names. And in fact, there are some names that appears more than once. It means that that customer have gotten an item from us, more than one item from our store. So this is what I want to do. I want to get the unique names of my specific customers. For instance, if you look at this data, if you go down, we have 29 customers that have been 29 sales that have been recorded, but there are some names that appears twice. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to copy all these names of customer, Control C. Then I'm going to go to a new column. I can paste this here, Control V. Good. Now from here, I will go to the data tab. After clicking the data tab, I'm going to say remove duplicate. It says delete duplicate rows from a sheet. You can pick which column should be checked for duplicate information. This is what I'm going to click. I'm going to click on this. After clicking on this, it's going to tell me that to delete duplicate values, select one or more columns that contains duplicate. I've selected the columns, the range that contains the duplicate. I'm going to click OK. After clicking OK, see what it displays. It says 20 duplicate values found and removed. 9 unique values remain. I'm going to click on OK. Good. So that means that if you look at the name that I have here, these are the specific names of my customers. That is the function of removing duplicate. It's going to give you the unique values that you have in that range of data sets. Good. Another thing that we are going to be looking at today is how to convert a text to column. Remember, we have looked at how to the data type that we have. For instance, the amount column is what data type? It is what data type? It is number. That is why it is aligned to the right. But these are text. This is also a text. The customer is also a text. Now the date. Let us look at the date and see what is happening here. You will observe that the date column that we have here has the date, that is the 10th of September 2021, but it also has the time beside it. That means that the item is purchased at 10 o'clock in the morning, to say. But another thing is that you observe that this is not appearing as a proper date. Let us check it and see the data type. I'm going to type is number. Is number is a function that is going to tell you if a particular value in a cell is a number or not. Then you can see it is telling me that this is not a number. That means that the proper format of this date is not correct. So what can I do? Okay, what I can do is I can remove this time value that is beside the date. Let us see if that is going to work. If I remove it, will it give me the remaining date format that I have? Good. So that is how to convert a text to a particular column. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to right click here. Then I'm going to insert a new column. So what I want to do is I'm going to highlight this particular column. Then I'm in my data tab. I'm going to come to text to column. I'm going to click on it. Then it's going to bring out a dialog box. It's telling me delimiters, fit width. I'm going to pick delimiters. I'm going to go to next. Then it's telling me that which type of delimiters do I have that is common that I want to use to separate or divide my column? It's saying tab, no, it is space. You observe that there is always a space um, after the date in all my data. There's always a space beside the date and the time. So I'm going to pick space. If it is a comma that you want to use to divide, if it is a semicolon, and you can also specify if there's any particular symbol there. So I'm going to pick space. I'm going to go to next. You can see it has separated this dark and the lighter part. That means it's going to divide the um, dark column into two using that parameter. I'm going to click on finish. Wow, you can see what it does is that it leaves these for me, and it has divided the other number. That is the time that is in front of it. It has removed it and transferred it to a new column. You also observe that these are appearing as dates because Excel is seeing them as date format. What you can do is click on here, the data tab, and click on numbers. You can see that all my time are appearing again as numbers, and my date format is fully here. So this is how to convert a particular text by dividing or by removing some part of it into another column if there is a specific symbol that is common to the list of that data set. So that is how to remove duplicate and how to convert text to column. I'll see you in our next topic.